Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning 100, ayah number 112, Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بلى من أسلم وجهه لله وهو محسن فله أجره عند ربه ولا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. Ba is short, la 2 counts long. This is just like this alif standing fatha is just like a complete alif. So before alif you find fatha, you make it 2 haraka long. Same combination is working here. Bala, la, man. For fatha, open your jaws and give izhar over here. Why? Because whenever you find haruf halaqi before after noon sakun, you will make this noon sakun, you will give a very clear sound of this man. You will not change the sound, and automatically the sifa of the wasat will be active over here. Man as. For fatha, open your jaws, or for hamza, give very strong sound. It's not us, it's us, and gives tawassut. Gives a feed on seen, and it is a light letter. As la is short, ma short, as give enough time on safir. Aslama waji. For circle your for lips for wow, and open your jaws for fatha waji, and give clear qalqala on jim, because this is among the letter of Qutubujaddin. Qutubujaddin is the mnemonic for 5 letters. Whenever these one of any these letter get sakun, it gets qalqala. Wajh. Ha is short. Who is 2 counts long. Lil or kasra, give e sound, and it will make lafz jalawala light, because whenever you find kasra immediate before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, you make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name light. Lil la, and always Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. So lil he is short. Wa short. For wow, circle your lips. Makhraj of wow is circling your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa, hu, circle your lips for dhamma, and who is from your lower throat. Wa, hu, wa. All 3 are short. Muh, for dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you land on ha, you keep your lips very normal, on a normal position. Muh, si, or ha, for ha, give rakawa, the sound will go on. Muh, si is short. Nun, this is ikhfa. You're hiding the sound of nun. If you will omit ikhfa, the sound should be muhsinun. But what happened to nun? that sound we are hiding, and we are going towards the makhraj of fa. Muhsinun. Fa for fatha, for open your jaws. La short. Fa la, both are short. Hu for haraka long, because after mad asli you're finding this hamza, so you're making that mad asli, which was 2 haraka long before. Now it is 4 haraka long, because hamza is coming up. Falahu aj. Hamza is very strong letter. For fatha, open your jaws. For jim, give qalqala. Qalqala is atba'ud. Aj. You close the makhraj for jim because this is a shadda letter, but you will give a little tabaud. You will open your makhraj little, and that will make qalqala. Aj. Uru, uru, circle your lips, and ra is heavy. Uru, who is four haraka, two haraka long. Sorry. Ajuruhu, ikhfa. Ain from your throat should be very clearly. Ain. And for noon, you are hiding the sound of noon because there is ikhfa. Inda, that is short. Rabbi, ra for ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. Da, rab, ra is attached with ba. Rabbi, for kasra, give e sound. Rabbi, he, to haraka long. Wa, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. La, 2 counts long. Wala, khaw, khaw is 2 counts long. Fun, ibhar. Yeah, you're not changing the sound of noon. Khawfun, ain is short, and use your throat very well. Lay is 2 counts long because it's sorry, it is harfilin. You will keep it soft and 2 haraka long. Alayhim, give he for kasra, and for mim give tawassut. Him, wa, la 2 counts long. Hum, circle your lips for dhamma, and as soon as you will touch mim, sorry, give tawassut. Wala hum yahzanun. يحزنون. Give توسط النون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.